Welcome back to my channel, dolls. Today I'll be showing you how to do your eyebrows at home. I thought to start off this makeup segment where I'll be teaching guys tips and tricks, the best thing to start with that everybody struggles with is eyebrows. So today we're going to be covering how I do my eyebrows, and I'll be showing you guys the quick steps that I do. I know for some of you that might be watching this might be going to work and you don't really have time to be doing all those shapes, dimensions and too many things, so I just thought this might be a very easy video for you guys to learn from. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you never miss a video when I post. And also don't forget to comment and share the video. So yeah, let's get started with the video. So guys, I'm going to be showing you the after and the before. For the choice of product that we're using for our eyebrows today is a brown pencil. I'll be using that, and then angled brush. You want to use an angled brush because it's much more easier, sharper, defined, and easier to draw and define the eyebrow. As you guys can see, I first start off with the tail of the eyebrow. That's where we want it to be more darker. Then I'm going to draw the eyebrows literally just above my actual eyebrow shape, just to shape it up. This is how I do it because I've got sparse eyebrows. And as you guys can see, we measure I measure my eyelid according to how I want my eyebrow shape to look like. So for example, for the tail, you want it to end roughly at the end of your eye, and then for the arch you want it to be in the midsection of the eye. That's how I measure my eyebrows, and I know how to properly define them and to draw them out and fill them in rather. So that's what I do. I first draw some lines at the bottom and then at above, like I've said, and then what I do is I follow those lines, and then I literally just fill in between the eyebrow. So that's what I do. I just use the product that I've already got on my eyebrows, and then I work that to fill up those missing gaps and parts of the eye. This technique works great for me because I've got sparse eyebrows, and if I did anything else it would just take forever. So that's what I do. And then as you guys can see, I'm just shaping it up, making sure that it doesn't look too harsh. You want to make sure that your eyebrow doesn't look too harsh at the beginning. You want it to look very nice and seamless, and then darker towards the tail. Then after that, to clean up the eyebrow, I'm going to take a flat brush with some concealer. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer, Pure Beige, and I'm just cleaning up that area so that we can define it a bit more. The reason why I use the lighter concealer is because I was going to do a makeup tutorial afterwards, so that's the reason why it's lighter. And then I just take a blending fluffy brush, and then I just really go in there nice and seamless to get rid of any creases. But essentially that is how I fill out my eyebrows, nice and easy. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching,